Hi guys, good morning. This is your vlogger from California, si Saryu. How are you guys? Hello world. So today I'm here in Half Moon Bay, California, trying to explore the place. I mean, I've been here many times in the past. How many pumpkins I already photographed here, but today this is for this year. Okay, so good morning guys from California. Actually, it's almost 12 noon here, 11:43 in the morning. And good morning to all of you. Good afternoon, good night, good evening, wherever you are in this wonderful, beautiful world. So today I'm gonna show you how this Half Moon Bay, California displayed their pumpkins. It's all pumpkins, guys. Oh, corn! I love corn. So I'm gonna buy some sweet corns later. So this is the way how it looks, guys. Very pretty, right? I hope you will enjoy for our presentations today. So these are the pumpkins here. I have some kind of sore throat, guys, so my voice would be irregular. You're coughing. Okay guys, okay, here we go. You didn't take your lozenges? You should take your lozenges, honey. Okay guys, people are starting to build up here, and then later on we're gonna be full pack in this area here. Actually, there's a lot of places down here, and then my daughter loves this place, so we ended up coming here first, and then we're gonna be, roaming around today just to photograph pumpkins probably. So we park over there, ta-da! And there's a small fruit stand down there, probably the owner of this one. Why you keep laughing? Huh? Oo nga eh, I sound like a chicken eh, because I have very bad sore throat eh. Yeah, I know. Okay, look at this, guys. They're so pretty. They're so beautiful, isn't it? Pretty, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna sit down a little bit for a different vantage point of view. Hi, pumpkins. How are you doing, my dear? I just say good morning to you. You are so beautiful. You're just so beautiful. Okay, so these guys here are orange in colors. The colors of the rainbow. These are orange in color. And this one here, there are some greens. There's some kind of white down here. Ta-da! Lemon white. And dark orange. What else? Okay, let's find out. Oh, favorite. Look at this. I like this one. It's quite big. See, it looks like it's fresh cut off. Look at that. See, so fresh. It's so big, beautiful and wonderful. This is so huge. How can I eat that one? That's so big. It's only for decorations, I guess. Maybe one of that I'm gonna eat for the whole year. Ay, ay, ay. And of course, we're gonna visit the sunflowers. My favorite sunflowers, guys. Ta-dang! Napaka-beautiful naman. Oy, mga friends natin dyan sa Philippines. How are you doing? Mga palangga natin dyan sa Pilipinas. Hello, BFF. Hello, friendship. Hello, my dears. Hello, mga ka-idol. How are you there in the Philippines? I miss you guys. I miss Philippines, but I cannot just go home right now for so many reasons. And of course, to our friends in where? In Europe, UK, where else? Some in Australia, Spain. Hello, Irene. How are you? I saw your vlog today. No, it was a live. I was sleeping the time. Good morning, my friend. How are you? And Pedro Brazel, how are you, my friend? Oh, I'm mentioning you there, my friends. And I don't know, Sebastiana, I haven't heard her. Hello, Sebastiana, or in case you're gonna hear my voice, I'm gonna say hello to you, my dear. And what else? I'm sorry, I'm very bad remembering names. Alright, so this is a beautiful view down here. Oh, by the way, my friend Irene in Spain, your live today, it was so awesome, my friend. It was so beautiful, a wonderful family vlog. And you look so pretty, my friend. That's a good one, okay? I'm sorry that I missed your live because I was sleeping the time. But anyway, your videos are beautiful. And who else? Our friends in Canada. Hello, madam. How are you, madam? You know who you are. Okay, look at this. Look. Still, oh, no, that's a sunflower, Rosario. Don't be crazy, that's a sunflower. Look at this. The pumpkins, this should be the pumpkins, guys. Look at this, the flowers like squash. Yeah, I used to plant squash before, so I know how it looks like. And they're a family squash. And look at this, look. Ta-dang! The sunflowers. Oh. Look at this, you know, they are ready for planting the seeds. Hi, sunflowers. Good morning to you. How are you, my dear? Let me get close up to you. Yeah, you're ready to, you know, your seeds to be planted. Yeah, and look at that, beautiful. Look at the sunflowers, it's so pretty. Hi, Nika, I'm watching your video, my friend. It's so beautiful. Okay, I apologize if I cannot mention all your names, but you know, who else I remember? But anyway, guys, you know, all of you, I greeted all of you. I'm just pretty bad in remembering names. But how are you guys? Good morning, California time. Actually, it's 12 noon down here. This is very beautiful. Look at that, the sun and the sunflowers. Ew. Let me get close up here. I think, you know, because fall, look at the leaves. Let's go down. Ta-da! Look at this, the inside down here. Okay, so this is the inside of this, you know, sunflower. The leaves. Yeah, okay. And then, let's take a look. Because I love sunflowers, guys. One of my favorite, you know. Oh, I missed the Carlsbad Flower Festival. Yeah, it's very beautiful. We used to go there before. Look at this, people are starting to build up. Ta-da-dang! And there's a highway down there going to the city. And then you're getting inside Half Moon Bay going this way. And actually we're getting out now from the city. We just need to take some videos down here and do some vlogging because it's beautiful, guys. Okay, here we go to sunflowers again. Oh, I love sunflowers. Beautiful. So, in every pumpkin fields, there's always a sunflower. So probably these guys are best friend. They are pollinators. Of course, the sunflowers are pollinators. So it looks like they planted the same time, close to that. Because you know why? Look at the sunflowers. It's getting to be, you know, harvest season too. Their seeds, you know, ready for harvest. See? And then the pumpkins too. So that means they planted all together the same time, because I have noticed many farmlands with this kind of, you know, pumpkins. They always have sunflowers. So now I got an idea. Okay, so every day is a learning process. Hi sunflowers, why are you so pretty? You're so pretty. You're so beautiful. And look at this here. Sunflowers, sunflowers. Okay guys, I saw something. Okay, a minute guys. If you see this, these are nopales cactus. They are edible. Look at the fruits there, like that pink red. Nopales, actually this is the one I would like to plant in the desert too, because you know, this is very nutritious and easy to plant. There's no big maintenance on this, so this is good for a desert life. I've seen this in the desert, you know, somewhere like in Arizona, even in my area, but more on Arizona. This kind, I know this is nopales. That young leaves there, they're the one, you know, they're gonna cook or whatever they do to that. But this is very delicious guys, and the fruit is very delicious. Look at this, and you don't have to worry about, you know, too much maintenance, because they just grow. They just grow. They will find their way to grow because they are cactus family. So again guys, I'm so glad that I saw this one, nopales cactus here. So I just, you know, include it in my vlog. Nopales cactus, how are you? I hope you're gonna bless me too, that I can make this one someday. Give me some blessings guys. I can make, you know, I can plant like this, and you're gonna grow healthy like you. So look at the fruits guys here. It's still very young. Look at the fruits over there, but I cannot just go, you know, in that area. Let's go closer. This one maybe. Oh, be careful, because this one, I don't know, I'm not sure, but it looks like maybe, but I'm not sure, like a poison ivy, but I'm not sure guys, because of the three leaves like that. It looks like poison ivy, and there's poison ox. The poison ox, they have like 7, 8 leaves, and then the sumac, because there are 3 kinds of them, they have like 7 to 13 leaves. So that is something we're very careful about, because they're very hyperallergenic. And then sometimes you cannot see them, then it touches your skin, and now you have in trouble. Okay, so here we go guys. Thank you very much, nopales cactus. Thank you. And let's go back to the sunflowers. Beautiful sunflowers. And then here we go, the pumpkins. People are building now. Let's see the pumpkin flowers. Look at this. So there's the leaves down there, and here's the big pumpkins. So you can see this display of pumpkins guys all over California right now. Of course all over United States. Yeah, it just happened that I'm here in California. One time I was in Maine, I was driving that where's that? Maine, Rhode Island. There was like one pumpkin farm there, and there was a barn, a house, and it was so beautiful. But I don't know where my SD cards right now. Good, you know, my travel, I saved. No, when I was cleaning up my closet, you know, I found some of the SD cards about my travel. Then I was so happy. because you know, you will realize 8 years, 7 years, 10 years from now, oh, I'm so glad I did not delete it. So just take pictures, guys. Just take pictures. Oh, why are they clapping down there? What's going wrong? What's going on? So very pretty, guys, and I hope you enjoy our vlog today. And I'm gonna vlog this cornfield down here and some sunflowers. So guys, this is the landscape picture of this. I'm gonna swipe, guys, right and left. Ta-da-dang! Very pretty. Whoo, and there's a mountain over there. Okay, it looks like visitors are coming in to Half Moon Bay, California. Look at the German Shepherd dog down there. He's also happy. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna separately vlog the sunflowers and the cornfields. Okay, guys, thank you again for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye you.